Welcome to the new Novatech studio. This room is dedicated to nothing but filming. Guys, so excited. Time to get to work. Whew. Just finished the first coat, tons more to do. Room is so much brighter already. Welcome to the new studio. Nice big space. Already started moving a couple things in. Got a closet, shoes, of course. Got this whole side. I plan on putting an awesome backdrop up here, having the desk in front of it, so it's like a nice, minimal, simple setup. And then on this side, you'll see this little nook. You'll see there's lots of windows in here, good lighting. And in this corner, right here, it's gonna be couch, I think, maybe shelf, maybe couch there, shelf here. I don't know, I'm gonna create a set, and yes, I hear the echo. You'll see that I have some new carpets, or rugs, excuse me, that are gonna come in here. A couple new rugs that'll help out. We laid down all this flooring, painted all these walls, put up these roller shades. Guys, I'm stoked.